Hi friend, how are you? I am Abhishek and today we will going to discuss a new topic which is history of English literature. So friends, today I have top 30 important MCQ for you. So let's start the session. So friend, the first question is today we will going to discuss is Lycidas, a poem written by John Milton in 1637 as a pastoral elegy, was originally published in. So option is 1634, 1637, 1638 and the last one is 1639. So the correct answer is 1638. Okay friend, let's move to the next question. Next one is Milton Areopagitica, a speech for the liberty of unlicensed printing to the Parliament of England, was originally published on. Option A is 20 November 1644, 21 November 1644, 23 November 1644 and last one is none of the above. So the correct answer is 23 November 1644. Okay friend, now move to the next question. So next one is a grade 5 of the London, which was a major conflagration that swept through the central parts the English city of London from Sunday 2 September to Thursday 6 September. So option is 1666, 1667, 1668 and the last one is 1670. So the correct answer is 1666. Okay, now move to the next question. So next one is Dryden's poem Annus Mirabilis was published in option A is 1665, 1666, 1667 and the last one is 1668. So the correct answer is 1667. Okay, now move to the next question. So the next question is Essay of Dramatic Poesy, a work by John Dryden, England's first poet laureate, was published in year 1665, 1668, 1670 and last one is none of the above. So the correct answer is 1668. Okay friends, now move to the next question. So the next question is, which is question number 6, Paradise Regained, a poem by John Milton, first published in. So we have option 1667, 1668, 1671 and last one is none of the above. So the correct answer is 1671. Okay friend, now move to the next question. So the next question is Paradise Lost, a poem by John Milton written in blank verse, published in 1667, 1668, 1669 and last one is none of the above. So the correct answer is 1667. Okay friend, now proceed to the next question. So next one is Milton Samson Agonistes, a tragic closes drama, appeared with the publication of Paradise Regained in. So we have the option 1 is option A is 1671, 1675, 1685, and last one is none of the above. So the correct answer is 1671. Okay friend, move to the next question. So the next question is, who wrote the plays The Tempest and The Midsummer Night's Dream? The option is John Benson, Christopher Marlowe, John Dryden, and the last one is William Shakespeare. So the correct answer is William Shakespeare. Okay, now move to the next question. So the next question is, who of the following was both a poet and painter? We have option Keats, Donne, Blake, Spenser. So the correct answer is Blake. So the correct answer is Blake. Okay friend, now move to the next question. So the next question is, the main features of the Renaissance is, option A is humanism, B utopia, poly Albion, or opus magus. So the correct answer is humanism. Okay, let's move to the next question. So next question is, the comparison between two unlike things using the words like or as in the sentence is known to be, option A is metaphor, next one is simile, next one is alliteration, and the last one is personification. So the correct answer is simile. Okay friend, next, now move to the next question. So the next question is, child is the father of man is taken from the writings of, option is P.B. Shelley, S.T. Coleridge, William Wordsworth, and A.C. Swinburne. So the correct answer is W. Wordsworth. Correct answer is W. Wordsworth. Okay friend, now move to the next question. So the next question is, who is the university wits in the following list? As you know that there are 7 university wits. So among 4, who is the university wits? So the option A is William Shakespeare, B is Thomas Gray, C is Robert Greene, and the last one is John Dryden. So the correct answer is Robert Greene. Okay friend, now move to the next question. So the next one is, Ode to the West Wind is written by Keats, Shelley, Coleridge, and Wordsworth. So the correct answer is Shelley, P.B. Shelley. Okay friend, now move to the next question. So the next one is, the Flea by John Donne is A. romantic poem, an elegy, a religious poem, an ode. So the correct answer is a romantic poem. Okay, I think friend you understand the videos. Okay friend, now move to the next one. So the next one is, who wrote the book Ivanhoe? Who wrote the book Ivanhoe? So the option is O. Henry, R.L. Stevenson. Option next one is Ernest Hemingway, and the last one is Sir Walter Scott. So the correct answer is Sir Walter Scott. Okay, move to the next question. So the next question is, which period is known as the golden age of English literature? We have the option the Restoration, second one is the Victorian age, next one is the Elizabethan age, and the last one is 18th century. So the correct answer is the Elizabethan age. Okay, now move to the next question. So the question is to be or not be. That is the meaning, question, answer and issue. So the correct answer is question. Okay friend, move to the next one. So the next question is the poet, the patriot. The poem The Patriot is written by, option A is Alfred Tennyson, next one is Robert Browning, next one is Matthew Arnold, and the last one is John Donne. So the correct answer is Robert Browning. Okay friend, move to the next question. So the next question is Matthew Arnold belongs to Romantic age, Victorian age, Puritan age and modern age. So the correct answer is Victorian age. Okay, move to the next question. So the next one is a novel is not written in. A novel is not written in prose, letter form, rhyme, third person narration. So the correct answer is rhyme. Okay friend, now move to the next question. So the next question is a canto is an act of a play, a part of a play, a chapter of a novel, or last one is a division of an epic. So the correct answer is a division of an epic. Okay friend, let's move to the next question. So the next question is who is called the metaphysical poet? So we have the option John Donne, Andrew Marvell, George Herbert, and the last one is Alfred Tennyson. So the correct answer is Alfred Tennyson. Okay friend, let's move to the next one. Who wrote the Spanish tragedy? Who wrote the Spanish tragedy? We have the option John Lyly, Thomas Gade, Robert Greene, and the last one is Christopher Marlowe. So the correct one is Thomas Gade. Okay friend, let's move to the next question. So the next one is Milton was born on 9 December 1608 and died on, option is 8th November 1674, 8th November 1674, 8th December 1674, C 8th January 1674, and last one is none of the above. So the correct answer is 8th November 1674. Okay friend, let's move to the next one. So the next question is Joseph Addison, an English essayist, poet, playwright and politician, was born on May 1st 1672 and died on 17 June 1719, 17 July 1719, 17 August 1719, and last option is none of the above. So the correct answer is 17 June 1719. Okay friend, now move to the next question. So the next question is Sir Richard Steele, an Irish writer, playwright and politician, remembered as co-founder with his friend Joseph Addison of the magazine The Tatler, was born on March 12, 1672 and he died on, we have the option A is 1st October 1729, option B is 1st November 1729, option C is 1st September 1729, and the last one is none of the above. So the correct answer is 1st September 1729. Okay friends, now move to the next question. So we have the next question. John Bunyan's The Pilgrim's Progress from his world to that which is to come, a Christian elegy, also cited as the first novel written in English, was published in. Option A is 1675, next one is 1676, next one is 1677, and the last one is 1678. So the correct answer is 1677. Okay friend, now move to the last question of this video. So the question is, Dryden's play All for Love or The World Well Lost is a tragedy written in blank verse in 1677 and was published in. Option A is 1677, next one is 1678, next one is 1679, and the last option is 1680. So the correct answer is 1680. Okay friend, I hope you like this video. So if you like this video, then share with your friends, like and subscribe this channel for further video. So thank you very much to watch this video. Okay friend, so Jai Hind.